In this episode, I'm going to show you exactly how to get inspired to run some Facebook advertising that gives you results by understanding what your competitors are doing in the world of social media. We're going to be talking about the Facebook ad library and exactly how to use it for you to get going with social media marketing correctly. This is a very important step, which is knowing your competition. The step number one that I would do is that I would make a list of 10 competitors. We all have them. If you think you don't have them, you are probably hallucinating, or your name is Elon Musk. It's one of the others. All right. So if you really understand that there's a lot of people out there like you and a lot of brands and services, it will become easier for you to understand this subject right here. So step number one, make a list of the 10 competitors that you have. You can find them on Amazon if you have an Amazon brand, even if you don't have an Amazon brand. You go to Google and you type in Facebook ad library. You click on that one right there, and you're going to go to this place which has gotten better and better and better, and where you can see every single thing that's happening in the world of social media, Facebook and Instagram. Every single ad, full transparency. Okay, the ad library provides advertising transparency by offering a comprehensive searchable collection of all ads currently running from across Facebook apps and services, including Instagram. Every single brand that puts some energy on social media marketing, I can see exactly what they're doing here. It is a marketer's dream come true. So that point over there, point number 3 on this particular sequence of steps on building a strategy, you should spend a lot of time on this. Because if you're lacking inspiration, if you're lacking the ability to actually create copy, call to actions, to create videos and use graphics and do all of that, all you got to do is spend some time in here and you're going to get inspired. Search ads. Set your location and choose an ad category to start your search. View search tips. So you can search for categories. They have made this a lot better. So United States, we can change the country here. Ad category. So we want to do all ads, or do we want to do issues, elections, or politics? For example, recruitment ads and housing ads and elections and politics. They're all going to be on the here. Employment credit. I mean, these are all sections that are special. And then we got generally the ones are all ads. So it says search by keyword or advertiser. Let's go ahead and search for Daymond John. Well, Daymond John is a marketer too. He's a business owner. So it shows up as a recent search. I'm going to click on that one. It tells me how many Facebook page followers, how many Instagram profile followers. I'm going to click on that one right here. And let's see what shows up. This one has United States, 54 people. I can even see when the page was created. The page was created in 2009. Changed the name one time. United States, 54 people working on it. Probably half of those are us. Philippines are 6. That's 100% us. You got people from Bosnia, United Kingdom, Canada. Look at all the people that are working on the account. And then you can see how much money they spent on political ads. But more than that, you can see every single thing that they're running. Every single thing that Daymond John is running, which, by the way, is us. Over here, you can see, for example, marketing plan. So if somebody clicks on this one, I can even see the website, the funnel. I can see the details of the ad. Book your free marketing consultation. The first step is simple. Use the form below and select a time and date from the calendar to book a call with one of our marketing consultants. You can reverse engineer the entire funnel. If you were a marketer, which I know I have marketers over here, and you want to understand what AGR marketing is doing in collaboration with Daymond John, so we can generate leads and close people for our agency services, what a better way to start than understanding what successful companies already out there are doing. Is there a better way? So you understand this point right here cannot be exaggerated. The point of understanding what other brands are already doing successfully cannot be exaggerated. As much time as you spend on this will be time well spent. You can keep on going and seeing all the ads, the videos that they're using, the call to actions that they're using, the details of the ad, the images, the videos, the creatives, all of it. Was that?
When it was launched.
when we was launched,
so if you see that something's been going for a long time or a while, you know it's working.
Correct. So this is very powerful and very important. So if you guys have serious intention of making social media work for you, please go ahead and spend some time today building out this marketing strategy, building out this plan, and spend some time understanding what other people are doing successfully in the world of social media. Make a list of those 10 competitors. If you don't find these people advertising on social media, it does not mean that they're not successful. It just means that they're not leveraging that opportunity right there. You're going to find some people that are not doing social media marketing, but you're going to find some of them that are doing a great job. If you want to find a great e-commerce brand, one of my favorite ones, you go in here and you search for Purple. These guys are awesome. Mm-hmm. They're awesome. And over here, Life on Purple. It's a mattress store. They have 155 followers on Facebook. And they actually on Instagram, they have 695,000 on Facebook. And you can see the page was created in 2015. These people have taken off. They are a powerhouse, a force to be reckoned with on e-commerce wise. And they're not Amazon focused, they're e-commerce focused. And you can see the copy that they use, the call to action, that you can see how they use emojis. The Purple Seat Cushion offers 100% purple grit support back to bottom. Simple sentence problem solving right there. Working emoji, gaming emoji, binge watching, funny, truth emoji. Hours of comfortable sitting awaits. Click on that one, you can see the video. How simple is that? Anybody can create a video like that. That's almost like a GIF right there. It's a 5-second GIF. All she does is sits down on her product. Nothing else. Simple. And let's see what else. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this right here. And it says shop now. And then the headline says comfort first cushions. Problem solving copy right there. And then what does it say in the description? Enjoy free shipping plus returns. Again, problem solving. That handles objections right there. I don't want to pay for shipping. Free shipping. Oh, what about if I don't like it? Free returns. Right there. You take some of those elements and you replicate them in your own content. As simple as that. You spend some time understanding what other people are doing successfully and you reverse engineer that. The great Russell Brunson calls it funnel hacking. That's right. Okay, that's it.
So I would add to that, like, notice if they're using, a vertical image or video, a square, a horizontal, like what's the size, right? How long are the videos? See if you can kind of spot if they're retargeting ads or if they're top of the funnel type of ads. Are they using short copy, long copy? And then, like Manuel was pointing out, are they using the emojis or not? So those are some of the things that I would be studying when looking over the competitors. Another thing is that you want to click on their ad to check out their landing page, so you can kind of funnel hack and just check out their whole funnel, like Manuel was saying. But also I like to do that so that I can get pixeled and you can get retargeted by them and you see what they're doing. I get on everybody's email list, so you can always kind of study what they do to follow up for people that abandoned the cart, or if you didn't even abandon the cart and signed up for maybe like one of their newsletters or something like that. How do they follow up? What are the first series of emails that are coming out to you? And see if there's anything you can learn from that.
If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.